guys, there's a game called Team Master. Oh, that's the one. There'll be the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Team Master and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So it's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you'll earn money. So you get the details right here. So to check my description, check out the link. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this wonderful Bluetooth soundbar. It's from Wings. That's the brand name you can see here, and that's the model number Centerstage 200. And here you can see the looks of this soundbar. Very nice and sleek design with RGB lights at the front, and at the top that's the volume control with other buttons. So it's very nice, and they're quite big in size, like more than 1 feet, and the weight is good enough for a sturdy, good quality soundbar. So here you can see powerful 16-watt sound output. Well, that's huge. Till now, all the mini speakers and soundbar I have unboxed and checked was 5 watt, 6 watt, and I think 10 watt max I got. So this is a 16 watt sound output. So very good. TWS Bluetooth pairing, RGB lights, music playtime up to 6.5 hours, calling functions, USB aux and micro TF card, FM radio, of course. So that's it. And on this side here you can see the model number, color black, and that's a MRP to 2,999. It's like almost 3,000, but I got it for 999, like 1,000. So very good deal. Got this from Amazon, and here you can see country of origin, China. So that's it. Now let's open this thing. USB charging cable, aux cable. That's the user manual, and this is for warranty claim. You need to register here. So let's take that thing out of the box, and there it is. Very nice, a great design. The front, that's the metallic grill, and that's the speaker driver, the left one, and there the right one. And this, you can see these two, these are the passive radiators, I guess, with the RGB lights. I'm not sure about them. They looks like the passive radiators, and according to this picture the LED would be here only. So the branding is here, Wings, and at the top that's the volume control with on-off switch.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It on-off switch, and other buttons are there. Mode, play, pause, rewind, forward, and one mic option is there. So that's it. And at the back, USB, TF card, aux cable, and these two are the holes for the screws, and that's a micro USB charging port. And here you can see the rating, 5 volt 1 amp. You need 5 volt 1 amp charger, and that's a flat design in here at the bottom, and rubber pads are there on the both sides. So it's very nice. Now let's turn this on and check the sound, of course. So the RGB lights are there. You can see they are slowly changing, and it's connected to my mobile phone. Now let's check the sound. So first of all, let me confirm you that these two are the passive radiators. As the light is on, and I can see them vibrating like the cone. So this is like transparent kind of thing, and the RGB lights are at the back of it, so we can see it's glowing from the outside. So, and also they are reflecting the bass, so the sound is very nice, good bass, and highs are also very nice. So let's check some other songs.
Take me back to.
So let me clear one more thing. I told you the bass and highs, all the stuffs are good, very good. But actually, the bass is really very good. Like I didn't hear this kind of bass from any other Bluetooth speakers before. So like I'm feeling it's really 16 watt of power audio output, and the speaker is vibrating. You can feel it by touching it when the bass is there. So you can feel the bass. It's very nice. So definitely I would like you to buy this thing if you want to buy a good quality Bluetooth speaker, come soundbar, and with this on-off features just like this, simple. So you can go for this thing and take it anywhere. You can connect it to your PC or laptop, or you can connect it to your mobile phone and listen to the music. So that's a very nice thing, and that's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
When the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how.